Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is going to be our third video in our GeoPandas series. In today's video, we will be diving into Pandas. We will start by learning what Pandas is, what are its key features, and how to install it. So let's dive right into it. What is Pandas? Pandas is an open source Python library widely used in machine learning, statistics, data science, and other data-related fields. It provides a simple, intuitive, and efficient way to perform data processing, extraction, and manipulation. Pandas was designed to handle large amounts of data efficiently. In addition to Python's built-in data structures like strings, lists, tuples, and dictionaries, Python introduces two specialized data structures. The first data structure is series. Series is a one-dimensional labeled array that can hold data of any type. The other data structure is data frame. Data frame is a two-dimensional labeled data structure similar to a table or a spreadsheet with rows and columns. We will explore the data structures in detail in separate videos. Unlike Excel spreadsheets, Pandas data structures are fast, easier to use, and provide powerful functions and methods for data analysis. Key features of Pandas. Pandas is popular because of its powerful and flexible features. Let's take a look at some of the key features that make Pandas so valuable for data analysis. The first point we'll be looking at is data transformation and manipulation. With Pandas, we can easily transform and manipulate data using methods like sorting, filtering, merging, grouping, and reshaping. These operations helps us organize and analyze our data more effectively. Another feature of Pandas is data cleaning. When dealing with real-world data, we often have to deal with missing values. Pandas provides built-in methods to detect and handle and even fill in missing values in our datasets. This makes data cleaning much simpler and more efficient. The third point we'll be looking at is reading and writing data. With Pandas, we can read and write data in various formats, including CSV, Excel, SQL data, and JSON. This flexibility makes it easy to import data from different sources and export the result to your desired format. The next point we'll be looking at is time series analysis. Pandas has a strong support for handling and analyzing time series data. With Pandas, we can easily work with date and time information, perform database indexing, and resample or shift time series data. Finally, the last point we'll be looking at is integration with other libraries. One of the key reasons for Python's popularity is how well Pandas work with other data science libraries in Python, such as NumPy, Matplotlib, SciPy, and others. This integration allows us to perform complex numerical calculation with NumPy, create visualizations with Matplotlib, and conduct advanced analysis with ease with SciPy. So with this, we'll move on to installing Pandas. To install Pandas, we can decide to install it in our terminal before launching our JupyterLab interface. But I want us to try something different by using the terminal within JupyterLab. So as usual, before launching our JupyterLab, we need to first activate our virtual environment. Once the virtual environment is activated, we will then launch our JupyterLab by typing JupyterLab. So once we are inside our JupyterLab interface, if you don't have your launcher opened, you can just go to File and then create a new launcher. If you have your launcher open, we'll scroll to the last end and then click on Terminal. We will need to activate the virtual environment in this terminal too. So after we've activated our virtual environment in our JupyterLab terminal, so we'll type pip install pandas to install Pandas. As you can see, I already have Pandas installed. After yours is done installing, if you want to check if Pandas has been installed successfully, we're going to import our Pandas as PD. The as here is an alias. So if we don't want to use the full Pandas name, we can use pandas as PD. After we've done that, the next thing we'll do is we'll check the version of pandas. So there are a couple of ways we can run this particular cell. We can first come to this button and click to run the cell. Another way we can do is to type Shift to run the cell. And I think the final way we can do that is to go to click on run and then run the selected cell. So either of this will run your cell. And as you can see under here, we have 2.2.2. So that is the version of pandas that we have installed, or that I have installed. Yours might be different. So that's it for this video. We've covered what pandas is. We covered the key features of pandas, and then we installed it in our project. In our next video, we'll be diving deeper into pandas by exploring the Pandas series data structure. Be sure to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our upcoming tutorials. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you have any questions about what we covered today or any related to GIS, QGIS or Python, please feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you for watching and look forward to seeing you next time. Have a great day. Stay practical, stay curious. Bye.